How to change password in Roblox. Now without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you want to head over to the application Roblox. It will land you on this page. Tap on this three dot at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and head over to settings. Move into account information. Right here you'll get to see the option of password. Tap on this icon. In this section, first of all, enter your current password. And then here create a new password that you prefer. Re-enter the password for the confirmation. And once you are done, tap on update. There you go, the password of your Roblox account has been successfully changed. So this is it for today, and this was a simple guidance on how to change password in Roblox. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.